Hey guys, Life in China with Patrick. I'm here with my middle son, Guoguo. Guoguo, how old are you?
11.
This is Guoguo's first time to fly the DJI Flip Flip drone. I just gave him a brief lesson on how to fly it. This is first time, right? Yes, it's his first time flying it. So I think he'll do well because he's used to playing video games and used to using these different toggles. So take it slow, not too fast. You ready?
Okay.
Go. Not too far. There you go. He's turning it around. Okay, remember, if you get scared, take your fingers off the toggles. He's loving it already. So the question is, can an 11-year-old fly a DJI Flip drone? And I think so far the question has been answered by yes. I think most kids would do well with it because they're used to toggling. There you go. Okay, wow, he's going way up there. Okay, slow, 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 slow. If you get afraid, take off the toggles. Take your thumbs off the toggle. The thing I like about the DJI Flip, and with probably most throw, huh? Can we do it?
Yes.
All right, you film me. Don't touch. It's already going. Since it's filming. The thing I like about the DJI Flip, and probably the same with the other drones, is the RC control. As soon as you take your thumbs off the controls, it stops. So if you panic, that's kind of like the panic button. So let me go way up. Ready?
Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, too high.
Now we'll come down.
Worse. Patrick, your phone can't catch.
Oh, that's okay. It's good. Just keep your eye on it. See how it stops? Just take it right off, turn it around. Let's make it dive bomb us. Well, make it go down. Turn it around. Cool. I think we've answered the question. Can a 55-year-old man and an 11-year-old child fly a DJI Flip? I think the answer is yes. Thanks, Guoguo. You're a great cameraman.
Okay.
All right, you want to fly now?
Yes.
Okay. Slow. He picked it up quick. All right, stop. Stop. Watch the drone from there too. Still a little nervous letting him fly it, but he seems to be doing really well. I'd love to hear your comments, guys. Let me know if you've let your kids fly it. He's doing well. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.